Boys and girls, today we are going to use compensation to develop flexible thinking for two-digit addition. Okay. How many tens and ones Okay. Okay. I don't know if you can count those very well. How many tens do we have? Everyone?
2.
And how many ones did I put on there? Can you guys tell?
15.
Yes, 15. I can trade 10 ones for 1 10. Okay? So instead of having all those 10 ones, let's regroup and make them one more 10. Okay? Now how many 10s do I have? Everyone?
3.
And how many ones do I have? 5. Okay. So if I had 20 plus 15, the answer is
35.
35. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. Okay. How many tens do I have?
3.
How many ones do I have?
12.
Okay. Now can I regroup and make, since I have 12, can I make 10 from 12?
Yes.
Yes. Think about this without me even regrouping right now. If I put 10 over here on the 10 side, how many do I have left over? Isaac? Think of the number, yes, 2. Think of the number 12. You have 10 and then 2 more. So now our answer is
42.
42. Okay. So on your papers, here's the story problem. Are you ready?
Yes.
Kara has 47 stickers. She buys 20 more stickers. How many stickers does she have now? Okay, how can you draw a quick picture to model this problem? What do you think we will do first, Chase?
Draw 2 tens.
Okay, but we probably want to start with the beginning sentence, which is Kara has 47 stickers. So, what do we want to probably draw first?
4 tens and 7 ones.
Yes, draw 4 tens and 7 ones on this top one. Do it on the top one, okay? 4 tens and 7 ones. Draw it on the top one, guys. 4 tens and 7 ones. Okay. She buys 20 more. So what do we need to do now? She's buying 20 more, Grayson.
2 tens.
Draw 2 more 10s. Okay. How can you use your picture to find the answer? Mina?
Count the tens up, and then you know there's 7 ones, and then you do that.
Okay, count all the 10s. Let's count the 10s, guys. 10,
20,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60,
67.
And then 7 ones, which would be, yes, 67. So write 67. Or you can actually, guys, write that as a word, as a number sentence. Write 47 plus 20 equals, and what did you say it equaled?
67.
67. What is another way you might have solved this problem other than drawing a correct picture? Isaac? What's another way we could have done it? No, it's asking another way besides drawing the picture. What do you mean by doing doubles? What do you mean by doing doubles? What's another way, Landon? You could stack and add. You could do 47 plus 20. That is another way to find this. 7, you always start on the right side. 7 plus 0 going down is 7. 4 plus 2 going down is 6. We have the same answer? Yes. Okay, next story problem. Tyrone has 30 stickers. How would we show that? How would we show that, Kinley? 3 tens. She buys 52 more stickers. How would we show that? Landon? 5 tens. And 2 ones. How many stickers does she have now? How many stickers does she have now? How many tens does she have, guys? 3. Think of, there's 3 on this side and 5, so that would be 8 tens, right? 8. And how many ones? 2, which is how much?
82.
30 plus 52 equals 82. Can we stack and add that one too? Yes. 30 plus 52. 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus, 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, now we have this model and draw. Read the directions. Take ones from an added to make the other added the next tens number. Okay, we have the number 25, so they have 2 tens and 5 ones, plus 48, which is 4 tens and 8 ones. Okay, they want to make that this side a tens number, okay? And in order to make this 10, okay, to make it 10 more, to make it a tens number, before we even talk about tens numbers, let's talk about all the ways we can make tens numbers. Tens numbers end in what? When you write them, they end in what, Keeson? 0. So we would have 10 and then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, do you see how all those end in 0? Right? Okay, probably won't use 100 right now because we'll get you to a hundreds number. But all those are tens numbers, okay? So we want to make this a 10 so that we can see how much is left over, easily see how much is left over. It's kind of like what we did yesterday, okay? All right, so they have 8 over here, so they want to steal 2 from over here and put it over here. Okay, so now that is a whole 10. Okay, so now how many do you have left over here? what number would you have over here, Ivan? 2 10s is how much? 2 10s is how much? No, 10s though. 2 10s. 20, and then how many do they have left over? 3. So now we have 23, right? Because we put those 2 1s over here. And then we have how many over here? Because this one is a whole 10 now again. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So now it's 23 plus 50. And how much is that? 23 plus 50. Jason? 73. Okay, so they are wanting you guys to regroup. Take some 1s to make a 10, just like we did yesterday, and then add up the 1s, and then add your 2 numbers. Okay? All right, we're going to do share and show. Let's do share and show together, and then on your own with your partner. Problem solving will probably be on your own for the most part, unless I find out that it's harder. And then homework will be on your own. Okay, so share and show. 37 plus 25. They've made the counters for you, okay? So you guys are going to have to just circle and show that they're going to regroup them on the other side. Understand, Ivan? Okay, make sure you guys are looking up here. Okay, you have 3 1s and 3 10s and 7 1s, 2 10s and 5 1s. You can take, because this one has more, okay, this side has more this time, the 1s have more over here. You're going to take from this side and put them over here. You have 7, you need 3 more to make what? 10. So we would be putting these 10 over here. Now you don't have them anymore. Right? So now you have how many 10s over here? This is a 10 now, right? So how many 10s is over there? Grayson? How many 10s is over here now? 4, well, 4 10s, which equals 40, yes. Now what would my number be over here looking at this? What would my number be over there? Look how many 10s there are, and then how many 1s are left over that are not circled anymore. What's the number, Matthias? How many 10s? So that would be what? 20. And how many 1s? 22. 22 is your new number. So 40 plus 22. What is 40 plus 22? Darren? 62. 62. If you need to write that, like stack and add, you can. Or just think. Count all these together now. 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, 5, 6 10s, which is 6, right? And then 2 left over, 62. Okay? Let's do the next one. 27 plus 46. Okay, boys and girls, which one of these are you going to add from the other side? Lena?
So, this one.
Come up here. Show me, circle the ones and then put the arrow to where you want to put them. Okay, but circle the 3 of them that you're, the ones that you're cutting over there. Okay. You need more than 2. There's only 7 there. See how there's 3? There's 3 now over here. Okay, boys and girls, let me show you. Sit down for a minute. Okay, look right here. There's 5, right, on that side. To make 10, you have to have 2 5s, right? So you basically have to have the same amount on this side that you do on this side, right?